Hello everyone. When it comes to print-on-demand services, SPOD and Teelaunch are two popular options. But which one is really better? In this comprehensive comparison video, we'll examine both products and see which one is better for your business. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, this is SPOD platform. Right after you create your account, make sure to verify it. So send verification code to your email. Make sure to do that as well. And you will receive an email in your account. So here we go. Copy this, paste it over here to complete your verification. Now, the good thing is this pod has its own store, so as well as some other applications like Printful and Printify, you don't really have to connect it with any other store to publish your products. But you have the access and the permission to do so. And their platform or the dashboard is pretty easy to use. Here as well, they give you some of the tour and how to actually complete these steps, and these steps are actually pretty much important for your account. So it can has a product, it can have payment information so you can receive money on your bank account, and finally here you can have an order sample so you can check your product quality by your own. So you make a design, you order it, of course you'll have to pay for it, they will not send it for free, but it will be less expensive than it will be costing for others, of course. And then you can actually think, am I going to actually invest in this or not? Now here, let's start with creating a product. All you have to do is simply either click on here or come over here on the left bottom corner, click on add product, and here you can choose to add your products on your own store. So here I have other stores connected to my Spot account as my Shopify or my other store. Here I'm going to click on continue so I can only publish it on my main store, which is on Spot. So first of all, this is the hoodie. This is a hoodie or a product that I am going to actually start editing on. You can here choose the product that you would like to start using as your template. There is so many stuff from clothing, accessories, home living, wall art, and new products. You can go through this: baby clothing, bottoms, polo shirts, etc. Here as well you can find accessories, here home living, and much more. And basically now I'm going to close this since I have a hoodie here to work on. So to upload any kind of designs, you can just work on with their own designs. So you have a big library here of designs that you can work from. You can even search by keywords and find the hot topics from here. Or you can just drag one of your designs by uploading it right over here. For me, I have already added like a text here. So here it is. I can move it around as I like. I can make it small, big, so it is fully adjusted as you might see here. So I can put it wherever I want. You can even add a design in the hand, shoulders, the head of the hoodie, and the back of the hoodie. Here, as you may see, you can find the different kind of colors. There is the gray one, this one, dark gray, and then the black one. Here some product info that you will find in the description of your product. So they give you a description with images in it and table that will explain for people how is it created, what materials are in it, and much more. Here the pricing details, and as you may see here, this is the base price. So this is the cost of creating of this hoodie. This is how you will have to pay in order to create this hoodie without your design, with your design I mean. And now for here you'll have to add the description, which is you'll have to copy it from the previous page. Okay, the pricing. So here, as I said, this is 22.4. This is the production cost, but yet you don't have really the profit, so you have to add here a couple dollars in order to make some profit. So the retail price, for example, if you are going to make $5 profit, it will be at 27.43. Let's make it around 30, which is gonna give us 7.50 US dollars as a profit. Here click on next. Here make sure to choose the product size and product colors. It's okay to choose other sizes since it will like improve your chances of selling one of your hoodies, and then click on complete and everything here will be created successfully. Now, if you'd like to publish this product that you have successfully created on other like stores, you can click on here to connect integrations, and then you'll find here different kind of platforms. SPOD API, which is the current store. There is Shopware, Magento, WooCommerce, Squarespace, Shopify, or you can go straight to Order Desk where you are going to find all the platforms as Walmart, eBay, Etsy, Amazon, even TikTok. I don't know what TikTok is doing on this application, but you may also connect it to TikTok and publish your own hoodie on TikTok. So this is pretty good an advantage for Spot, and that was it. So, as you can see, guys, this is Teelaunch. So basically here, guys, as you create your account, it will be like this for the first time. So here you can start by creating any kind of products. And as you may know, this is all for free. So you don't have to pay anything in order to create anything in here. But I will show you every mistake or problem that you might face inside of your design creation. So first of all, that gets to something that you want to create. So there is a menu here of stuff that you can choose from: accessories, apparel, drinkware, home goods, jewelry, kitchenware, lifestyle, office, pet, war art, and sports. And basically you just have to choose one of these categories. So let's go to here and let's choose some kind of clothing. So I'm going with hoodie. So here we go. Let's go with this one, for example, sweatshirts. Here I'm going to click on continue, and here we go. So this is the hoodie and this is how it looks like. Now we can simply add here any kind of artwork, and as you may see here, the minimum dimension has to be between 2400 and 1 or 1000 10k and 10k. File size has to be between 0 byte into 100 megabytes. So let's upload a file, for example. Here it is an example. We can choose this. As you may see, all the files that you might drag into here will not be uploaded. Sometimes it will accept that, sometimes it will not. So it will be really hard to choose the correct dimensions. So in order for you to choose the correct dimensions, make sure to find kind of like a template to work on. As for me, I use this Google Bard logo. I just have to take it to Photoshop, add it there, and then I just remove this logo from there and I start creating a new design over it. So this is a template that I'm using for creating artwork on my shirts. So here you can add your art placement, choose where you want it to be, and basically you can choose whatever you'd like it to be, and right, left. So these are pretty precisely. Here you choose the color. So here there is all the colors that you might get this hoodie on. So for us, we can choose, for example, these four colors, and we might get it in these four colors. And there is some really good designs, as you may see here. I can either choose this one, and start like choosing which one is the best looking for me. So I guess I'm going with tie-dye cotton, and then here I'm going to choose the size. So I'm going to go with S, M, L, X, L, and XS. Here I'm going to click on next, and simply here you will notice that the selling price of this will be at $56. So here the price of this hoodie with your profit, so the only cost of it will be 28, and this is your profit. So you can change it here and all the way down, and you can't really pass 28, so it will be the cost. Unless you want to make no profit, you can make it over to 28, but you will be making zero profit. In case you like to make profit, at least add $10 minimum so you can have like worth profits. Here you will have to add kind of a description, and of course you will have to add the title. And this, as you can see, this platform is pretty easy to use, pretty cool. You don't have to do anything. Already they are giving you description for you to start using it, and simply that's it. You have created your first product successfully. So now you can go either to choose a different product to work on, or you can create another ITC Women's Light shop, or you can simply click on stores, connect your store that you have, for example, on Etsy, on I don't know which kind of website you have your store on, for example, Shopify. So as you can see here, you can add either Etsy or WooCommerce, and then all the products that you are creating on Teelaunch will be directly published on that store that you have connected to here. And that was it for Teelaunch. It is pretty easy to use, free, and will take a couple seconds for you to create your design on literally any goods that you might find here. So guys, that was it for today's video. That was the brief about these two applications. I hope to decide which one is better for you.